In a place that knows neon, our next artisans have mastered this city's most iconic art form. Las Vegas, Nevada is perpetually ablaze in light. Neon used to be the light of choice here, but less expensive LED screens are taking over. For those still wanting a handcrafted old-school Vegas sign, Paul Macias is the man to see.
This is the Neon Museum in Las Vegas.
Ah, this is so awesome.
People like to come and see all the old school stuff.
The old Stardust sign, and now the neon went on the outside here?
Yeah, it would have bordered around each letter, and then all these little bulbs would flicker and flash.
So what do you love about all this old neon?
I just love the old school look of it. It's just so nostalgic to me.
Preserving nostalgic neon signs is what Paul's parents, Juan and Ina Macias, have been doing for more than 30 years. Ina started thanks to a special gift Paul received as a kid.
So when I was a little kid, I got these silver dollars as a birthday present.
He was probably maybe 2 years old.
And then my mom had a job interview that she had to go to, but didn't have any money.
So they say, let's use these silver dollars to put a gas.
The job interview was for a neon vending position. Those silver dollars are pretty much all they had, and she got the job.
So those silver dollars means a lot to me and to Paul too. It's like the lucky silver dollars.
Juan soon joined Ina at the company, and they made their way up through the ranks, mastering the art of bending neon.
Yeah, I've been doing this for about 35 years, and I'm still learning.
A few years later, they opened their own neon sign shop. Today, Ina is considered one of the most experienced and talented neon benders in America. Neon's iconic glow begins with a two-dimensional plan. Paul first creates a design on a computer and prints it to size on a machine called a plotter. He's making a sign highlighting our show's initials, HCA. But it's backwards.
We bend it in reverse because the neon gets laid flat, and then when it's ready, it's right side up.
So not only are these guys bending glass and creating intricate letters and shapes, they're doing it all backwards. This process is looking a little more complicated than I thought. The type of gas Paul uses determines the color of the light. Paul can create 80 different colors by combining 5-foot phosphor-coated glass tubes with blue argon gas or red neon gas. So Ina, we have our glass, and I don't know what that is, but it looks very dangerous.
That's called a ribbon burner. She's gonna mark the glass wherever she's gonna make the bends.
How hot does it have to get?
It's about 1200 degrees. She can tell as it starts to get soft, it'll start to bend a little bit, and it will start to change color. And so she's going a little bit of air.
The air goes all the way through to the place where I'm bending the glass.
Bending is definitely the hardest part. I was probably 12 when I first started bending. It was an art, seeing how the glasses melted, bent to shape.
A skilled bender like Ina can create a sign this size in about 20 minutes. That is so cool!
The last thing she needs to do is put the electrodes on it. These are going to allow us to add the voltage inside of the tube. So now we're going to vacuum all of the air out of there to get all the impurities out of it.
Okay. Paul prepares the letters for a jolt of electricity. He's not adding the gas yet, just warming up the tubes.
Okay, ready?
I don't know, am I? I'm afraid. It worked! That's beautiful!
So now we're just heating up the glass to get it up to temperature, and we have to heat up the electrodes so they're nice cherry red. And once it cools down, then we can put the gas in. It usually takes a couple minutes.
Okay.
Now we're ready to put the gas into it. It's cooled down enough.
Paul adds blue argon gas to the orange-coated glass to make the final red sign.
Okay, the gas is in there, and it's ready.
Paul seals off the unit and runs a small drop of mercury all the way through the length of the sign.
The mercury helps the color come out.
The sign is almost finished. Paul adds another current of electricity, and this makes the glass and mercury glow.
So right now what it's doing is it's burning in, so it'll all eventually end up this bright.
Paul, what kind of paint is this?
It's a special blockout paint for glass. We're blocking out the areas that connect each letter because you don't want to see those when the sign is turned off.
So the letters can pop out, right?
Exactly.
Here it is It's our finished sign. It's amazing, beautiful. So now, how much would this cost me?
For a complete sign about this size, it'd be about $250.
I love seeing our show in light.